Aubrey from Mom Generation. So I'm out to dinner with my whole family. My parents are with us as well. I bring these Tommee Tippee, the 3-section plates, wherever we go. They're perfect. It's really great. Victoria has to learn now that she's going to be eating off of a plate. I love to be able to put different things in each section. She moves them around. I move them back. Right now she just has some baby food in there. Really easy way for us to just also, will you say hi to Daddy? Show Daddy your plate. She's talking now to us as well. Right now I have, again, some of her baby food in there, but I love how you have the 3 sections. I can divide it out. Very easy, and I think it's great too that it's so convenient. I can bring them with us when we're out to dinner. Very fun, and she's learning to eat on her own. I think it's just really good that we have these plates. She can, I mean, it's really become almost playtime for her as well. She just turned 14 months, so this is just great. Look at that. You know, put everything back in the other section. Can you put everything back in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put your granola bars back over here. So this is what she'll do now for the next like 30 minutes. She'll just put all different foods in different sections and I'll put them all back. But again, you know what it is? It's the easy convenience of having these plates, bringing them with us wherever we go. I can wash them really easy when I get home too. Tons of different colors. She's watching me what I'm doing with this. Can you say bye, Daddy? Say bye, Daddy. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Go bye-bye. Bye. 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 Bye.